guys, it's Star back with another video, and today I have the best idea I've ever had. I want to make some cute ceiling decorations for my setup. If you guys haven't seen on TikTok, I have like a Kiki and Lala and some clouds up there. So I was just on the internet one day like I always do, and I saw something and I'm like, that is cute. How can I incorporate that into my setup? What I saw was this. I saw these cute little things and I'm just like, how can I incorporate that into my setup? So the idea crossed my mind of, what if I hang them from my ceiling? And then I'm like, well, how would I do that? And then I thought, oh, I could literally do the exact same thing that I did, but I need to make sure it looks like they're floating. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it too because it's so stinking cute. I already did a little bit of it. It's right over there. I'll show you guys in a second. But I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. It's so simple. It's so easy. Let's go. It's right up there. Ah, so cute. Okay, let me show you how to do it. So, like I said, you only need a few supplies. You need a hand drill or an electric power drill. I got this one from Amazon. You just press this button and it drills for you. You might need some hook and eyes. I think that's what they're called, screw eyes, I think they're called screw eyes. I got these from Amazon as well. I've been had these because I craft, so I had those. And then you need the play toys. These are just called play balls, and they're just like the little ball pit toys. I think there's like 100 of them in here. I don't know. They also have other colors. These are just the colors that I got because they were cheaper, and they're the colors of Kiki and Lala. So that's why I got those. And then you need some fishing line. I got this from Amazon. You can also get it from Walmart. I'm pretty sure you can get it from a hobby store. So let me show you. Very easy, very simple. Let's go. I cut a small hole into the bag so I could pull these out. And then you want to just anxiety. Aha. So you're gonna do that. You're gonna take, you chill out over there. You're gonna take one of these screw thingies. I think I have this color already. And you're just gonna screw it in. These things are very easy to screw in. I hope you guys can see because I can't tell if you guys can see or not. And you're going to take your fishing line or invisible thread, whichever, whatever. And you're going to cut it. I cut mine to different lengths. At first I was doing a double one, like I was doing like double loop. But you don't need to. You can just do a singular one because once they're up there you can't tell them. And you just loop it through and you tie it off. Like so. Yay. Like that. Yay. It's floating. So if you guys are wondering how we're going to get it up there, well, I have something else that I forgot to show you. Push pins. Clear push pins, because once you put them up, you can't see them. Here. Like that. And then we're going to stick it into the ceiling. Let's do that. Okay, so as you guys can see, my Kiki and Lala over here. I am going to put up the stars now. Can you see me? We're going to put up the stars now. Okay? Hopefully I don't fall. So I'm going to put some in the front. I'm going to try to put some in the back. I don't know if I'll be able to. I'm going to put some over here. And then I might put some more over there in that area. Ha! So, like I said, that was super easy, and you guys can do it too if you want to make your room even more kawaii, because who doesn't want to have a super ultra kawaii room? I don't know, people who hate kawaii culture, and that's fine. If you don't like it, you don't like it. But for those who do, now you have something new to do. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. See you guys in the next video. Bye!